morning students. I am Manika Kathuria and I am a science teacher from KGIS. So today I am going to perform a very small activity, and the activity is to select the healthy seeds from unhealthy seeds. For this we need very few basic things. First we need a bowl filled with water. See, this is a bowl and it is filled with water. Then we need any seed grains. So I have taken here rice grains. See, you are able to see it. I have taken rice grain. You can take any seeds like wheat, pulses. Like pulses may you can take any of the dal. So it is as per your wish. But I have taken rice grains. So now what we have to do, we have to pour these seeds or the rice grains into this water. I have already done it because we need to keep this. After pouring the seeds into the water, we need to keep it for few minutes so that seeds settle down. So here I have done. Now I am focusing the camera on it. You are able to see it. Majority of the majority of the rice grains have settled down and few are floating. See, I am just tilting it and you are able to see. Few of the rice grains are floating on the top of the water and the majority have settled down. Why? There must be a reason behind it. Without reason, anything happens. Anything cannot happen. In science, there is always a reason behind everything. So I'll explain you the reason. So we observed that most of the seeds settled down and few were floating on the surface of the water. So I told in science there must be a reason behind it. So we'll discuss the reason now. So the activity's name is to select the healthy seeds from unhealthy ones. Now we'll find the reason why most of the seeds settled down and rest of the seeds were floating, few of the seeds were floating on the surface of the water. So we'll apply the basic concept of density. Here the reason behind it is the basic concept of density. Now in science, in junior classes in science, you must have studied that denser objects sink or settle at the bottom, whereas the lighter ones float on the surface of the water. This is a very general concept which you have studied in junior classes, that the heavier or the denser object will settle down and the lighter ones will float on the surface of the water. So this everybody knows. Now the question arises, we saw most of the seeds were settling down and few of them were floating. So that means the ones which were settling down are heavier and the ones which are floating down are lighter. Now the question arises, why the ones which settle down are heavier? How they are heavier and the ones which are floating are lighter? I'll give you the reason. Because what happened, the seeds which are healthy, they are filled with nutrients. So that is why they become heavy and they settle down. And the few ones which are floating, they lack nutrients. Those seeds lack nutrient. Why? Because the nutrients have been eaten by the insects. So when the nutrients are eaten by the insects, the seeds become hollow. Hollow means they become lighter, and that is why they float on the surface. Is it clear? So this is a very general concept which will give you the reason why some of the seeds were settling down. Not some, most of the seeds were settling down and few were floating. The reason is that the ones which are heavier, why they are heavier? Because they are filled with nutrients. So that is why they are heavier and they settle down. And the ones which lack nutrients, they become lighter and they float on the surface of the water. And this is how we can select the healthy seeds from the unhealthy ones. So my dear students, I performed the activity and I showed you that how to select the healthy seeds from the unhealthy ones. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.